So Laravel, this series will be based on Laravel, which is a PHP framework, and in this series I will be going to build a fully functioning portfolio site to display your portfolio, either you are artist or programmer or singer or anything, because a portfolio site is must have if you are in any field. So that is a really important thing to do, and rather than buying, you can just watch and follow up this video step by step, and then you can end of the video you can be having your own portfolio website built on Laravel framework. That is version of Laravel, that is 9.0. So if you are new to Laravel or any coding or coding or programming, this video can be useful to you as well, because I'm gonna make this video as simple and easy to learn as possible. So first thing you need to do is go to your browser and search Laravel. Then click the first link you see. This is the Laravel official website. Then go to documentation. Then there will be a command for installing Laravel. So first use this command, then this, then Laravel new your file name, your project name. So if you have problem with setting up your composer or XAMPP environment, you can comment down below. I'm gonna make a video for that as well. So after doing this, the file you'll be getting is this. This is a basic file structure you will be getting after installation of Laravel. It has app, bootstrap, config, and so on. So let me give you a little bit intro of some important folder structure in Laravel. So the most important thing is app, where all the controller file and model file and kernel file and also provider file will be stored. Then config file, then database file, where we define our table structure in migration, and we can also set seeder and factory. Then public, where all our HTML templates like backend or frontend template will be stored here, and resources with all of view of Laravel project will be stored here. You'll be seeing this in this brief in later on video on route. This API route will be stored in this route file for API routes on api.php and web.web.php. And then another important file is vendor. All the packets you'll be using will be shown here. Then env, where do you define your database name, database credential, and API credential here. Then git ignore. If you want to, like we have, for example, we have a vendor file which is a really large in size, so we need to ignore that on our git push to our GitLab or GitHub repository. So using this /node module, what it does is it will ignore node module file from pushing into our repository server like GitLab or GitHub. Then another file is a composition session, where Laravel framework detail and all the package detail, package version detail, etc. will be shown here. Then composer in lock. So these are the basic file structure of Laravel project. So to run this Laravel, first of all, start your XAMPP environment, XAMPP or WAMP environment or LAMP environment. Then on terminal, PHP artisan serve. Then it will run your server on localhost 8000. Go to Laravel localhost 8000. So this will be your first screen you'll be seeing by default by Laravel installation. So that's it. You just got completed your first. You just run your application or on your local server.